Good morning, class. Welcome again to your English class. Remember that we are in week number 2, and today we have a session about modal verbs. Okay, let's start. Modal verbs. We have many modal verbs, okay? But today we are going to focus on 2 of them, okay? Only 2. First, you will find in this PowerPoint presentation you will find very important information. For example, modal verbs do not have a third person, okay? It is not necessary to add s, okay? What is the next information? Modal verbs take the verb infinitive. It means that when you talk about something, yes, in a sentence using modal verbs, you have to use the verb in the base form. Do you remember? Yes, the verb in the base form, the verb in present, right? Now, when do we use modal verbs? I repeat again, today we are going to focus on 2 of them. Only 2 modal verbs, okay? The first one, as you can see on the screen, is have to, okay? And the second one is must. You can see also that you will find the modal verb in positive and negative form. For example, have to, don't have to, yes. Don't forget that if you want to talk about the third person, you have to use doesn't, right? And the second one, must and mustn't. Let's see, let's start with the first one. Have to. When do we use have to? Let's see, to talk about something that is necessary, okay? To talk about something that is necessary. It is only necessary, okay? The thing or the action, it is only necessary. It's not an obligation. Let's continue with must. To talk about obligations or rules, right? To talk about obligations or rules. Now, remember this because we are going to work with the examples, okay? Pay attention. Let's start with have to. Yes, do you remember that we use have to when something is necessary, right? And you will find here the first example, the picture. Yes, I think that is a boy, yes, that is waking up. Let's see the example. Yes, you have to wake up early to go to school. Okay, what is the modal verb? The modal verb is have to. Why have to? Because it indicates that it's necessary. Yes, it's necessary what? Wake up early or go to school? What do you think? What is the action that is necessary to do it? Wake up early or go to school? It's wake up early, right? Because you say you have to wake up early. What is the following verb after the modal verb? Is wake up. Yes, and as you can see in the picture, yes, that is the action that is necessary. Let's continue the next one. There you will find a room that is a mess. Oh my god, okay, that is a mess. Let's see the example. You don't have to clean your room every day. Okay, you don't have to clean your room every day. To say that is not necessary, in this case we are talking about, yes, a sentence in negative form. Okay, so you can do it or not. It depends on you. Okay, this is have to. What is the second one? The second modal verb. Let's see. The second one is must. We use must for a strong obligation or rules. Okay, when it's an obligation, yes, or also is a rule, we are going to use must. Okay, don't forget that. Very important information. Let's see the first picture, this picture. Yes, what is this? Do you remember what is this in Spanish? Yes, in English, this is the traffic light, right? Let's see the example. You must stop at a red light. Okay, you must stop at a red light. Yes, it's an obligation. When you are walking in the street and you see the red light, yes, you must stop. Yes, An obligation. Let's see, to say that it is an obligation, right? Let's see the second picture. Yes, you will find it a cigarette. Yes, and the example is you mustn't smoke here. Yes, you mustn't smoke here. Yes, when do we use must? In negative form? Yes, let's read to show that something is prohibited. Yes, or it's not allowed. Yes, or it's not allowed. Okay, so don't forget, have to we use for things that are necessary. You can do it or you cannot do it. Okay, it depends on you sometimes. But when you use must, it means that is an obligation. Yes, look at the screen. It says that is a strong obligation, or also it's a rule. Okay, don't forget that. Don't forget this information is very important for your activities and for the exercises of your books and class exercises. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for being here and see you next class. Goodbye.